After launching Nokia G11 back in February this year, the company has now launched another smartphone under the same lineup globally called Nokia G11 Plus. Talking about the specifications. The Nokia G11 Plus features a 6.51-inch HD Plus display with 90Hz refresh rate support. Under the hood, the phone is powered by unisoc T606 chipset, paired with Mali G57 MP1 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone packs with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage, which is expandable up to 512GB 5 microSD card slot. As per the optics, the Nokia G11 Plus supports a dual camera setup on the rear that houses a 50MP main camera with f1.8 aperture along with a 2MP depth sensor. At the front, it has an 8MP selfie camera under the water drop notch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. The battery capacity of this phone is unlisted, but it is said to last for 3 days on a single charge with 10W charging support. On the software front, the handset runs on latest Android 12 out of the box with guaranteed 3 years of OS updates by the company. Additionally, the smartphone also features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and it is IP52 certified for splash resistance. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, FM radio, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 164.8 by 75.9 by 8.55mm, and it weighs around 192 grams. Now talking about the pricing and availability details. Unfortunately, the company haven't revealed the pricing details of the Nokia G11 Plus at the moment, but we can expect it to be priced around $150. And it will be seen in charcoal grey and lake blue color options. So what do you guys think of this Nokia G11 Plus smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to techsole YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.